What's up everybody, welcome to my channel. In this video today I will be sharing with you how you can sign up and send money with TransferGo. However, one thing to note about TransferGo is that it only allows you to really send money from outside of Europe, places like UK, Ukraine, so on and so forth, right? And you're only allowed to send money directly to a Visa card. So with TransferGo though, when you send money, even though it says 30 minutes, the money will be available instantly, but they give you 30 minutes as a window, right? So with that said, let's head over to my laptop and get started. So to get started, head over to TransferGo website. The link will be in the description of this video. You can also download the mobile app once you have registered, right? And the interface on the website will be similar to the mobile app. So TransferGo allows you to send money at high speed, low fees and no hassle. Within 30 minutes, £299. Today that means before the end of the business day, £199. And if you want to send the money for the recipient to receive it tomorrow or the next business day, then it will be 99 cents, right? You can send money to over 160 different countries. So to get started, we're going to select sign up. Here, specify your phone number to continue. So I'm going to select my country from the list. So once you've specified your phone number, select confirm number. Here, you'll get this little verification check. Select I am a human. So select all image which contains animal. This will be different for you. So I'm going to select verify. Now enter the code which was sent to your mobile phone. And to specify your phone number, it will automatically take you to this page to create a password. Well, passcode. Now on this page, specify your email address and select continue. Specify your first name, your last name, your date of birth and country of citizenship. So specified all the information, select continue. Which country are you in right now? Select your country and select continue. Your registration has been completed and that's really it. Now to send money, select the country that you are sending from and then select the recipient country. So I'm just going to say $10 or should I say £10. Now here you have the option to choose your delivery speed. So you can choose deliver within 30 minutes or standard delivery time. So I'm going to select standard delivery, right? Then select continue. Then here you're going to enter the address which you're sending money from. But please keep in mind that you're only allowed to send money from the EU and UK. So I'm going to select the drop down. So I'm going to select UK, specify your address and then select continue. Once you've specified your address, select continue. Here you have the option to send money to yourself or someone else. In most cases, you'll be sending money to someone else. So I'm going to select someone else. So here you're going to select debit or credit card because TransferGo allows you to send money directly to their card and they will receive the money within a day. But if you had selected the instant option, then they'll pretty much get the money instantly, right? So here you'd specify the person's first name, their last name, their card number and the expiry date. Specify your payment information, right? And then you'll review and pay. However, I'm not going to proceed to send any money now because I don't want to send any money. So that's pretty much how you would use TransferGo to send money overseas. So TransferGo is ideal if you're in the UK or in the EU and trying to send money overseas. Otherwise, you can utilize app like Remitly. You can check out my other videos on that. The link will be in the description of this video for Remitly. So that's it for now guys. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.